Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Julia Hair. I've collaborated with Julia Hair many times on my channel. Today what I have installed is a 14-inch 7x5 bye-bye knots, invisible knots, glueless wig. This is in the Yaki straight texture.
I need to lock off, I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa. Feels like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable.
That kind of looked cute on the side there like that. Okay. Wow, this wig comes with so many free gifts. I'm definitely gonna secure the sides down. Just pull some hair out as we go. Swoop-diddy swoops.
Also unachievable, yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And
this is a beautiful kinky straight texture. Really deep parting space. I'm gonna secure this down. Grab your milk band. Taking the part, you guys, this is the bye-bye knots, so it's really not visible.
I know I'll grow in a host for me, but self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself.
You know what we're gonna do? Clean up the part, even though the part is parting. We're just gonna define it a little bit more.
Confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved.
We're gonna seal that in. I'm just gonna clean up the part a little bit more. I'm going in with like a black shadow. Take your hot comb where the track kind of starts. Hot comb that hair down so it hides that portion right there. I'm gonna spin around for you guys to see the back.
Like you, I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just want.
I might cut this wig a little bit shorter. I might cut it to here. This 7x5 parting space is really big. It goes from here to here. It's giving frontal, like I've been saying lately. First it was 4x4, then it was 5x5, now it's 7x5. Today I was going to attempt to do a glueless install, but I decided that I wanted to do a slight widow's peak on this hairline. This is for the girlies who want to try something new but not too intense. Like some of the widow peaks that I've seen is like really pointed. It comes all the way down to here. No. This hair texture is what a lot of our hair textures like 4B, 4C, possibly straighten or relax would look like. With a silk press, your hair would definitely look like this. The only thing that I would have liked to see a little bit fuller was this section here, because this section is giving me like it wants to be a curtain bang because it's not all one length. As you can see, it's a little bit thinner here. I love that it comes with pre-bleached knots, so you don't have to do anything. The knots are done, pre-cut, everything. It's literally ready to wear. You can put it on your head and go. This is still still technically a glueless install because I didn't use glue, but we did use the Ebin spray today, and this is an OG spray. If you don't know about the Ebin sprays, get the black can because it does work wonders. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up because it really does go a long way. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now. I cut it and it looks so good. I knew it needed to be cut. This is the bob. This is the new and improved Bobbiana. Let me know what you guys think. Do you prefer it the other way or this way? I think I prefer it this way. I know you guys are gonna prefer it this way too because we're friends. We think the same.